Nash, it's move back in day, buddy. We're moving back into the house.
Time to move back in.
Are you ready to move back in?
I've missed our tiny house.
Yeah.
Nash saw it and he was like, maybe I missed it
My
too.
My house is back. So this is officially move back in day.
Yes, and we had so much to do when we got here that we didn't record a time lapse moving out.
Yeah, so we're gonna do it moving in.
Hey y'all, we are Sean and Christina, and this is our therapy dog Nash. We left our home in Nashville, Tennessee to travel the US in an RV and shine a bright spotlight on the incredible work that therapy dogs do across our country.
Loved being here with the kids and playing with Sophie. He's gonna have a really tough adjustment. He's gonna be very quiet for him.
All right, Nash, let's get in the RV. Make our way to Culver. Well, I didn't actually mean get in the RV. We had to get in the truck. Sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to confuse you there.
I'll show you my world.
To admit, this is definitely one of the most, we'll say outside of boondocking, primitive spaces that we've stayed at because it's only electric, which is totally fine because we filled up the freshwater tank and we've got enough holding tanks, so no problem. But just really cool that it's right on the baseball diamond and then right next to Culver Academy, the main campus part, which is right down that road. It's really cool. This is where Christina went to high school, which was so unique. Super cool.
We are here at the root beer stand, which happens to be one of my favorite places that you now love too.
I know, it's so good. The only downside is it's cash only, but it's probably the best burgers and fries and root beers that you've ever had. And yes, we do love Sonic, and these are better. Sorry, Sonic.
Anyway, Culver is just wonderful, and we're so excited to bring you along on our little lunch date and show you where I used to go after a day on the lake with our friends during the summertime. Did we place our order with you guys? Yep. We parked back there. I'm gonna do we're gonna do a large root beer, and then a cheeseburger with lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise.
And then I'm gonna do a double bacon cheeseburger with just cheese on that.
Okay.
And yep, that's it.
Can I have a name? Christina.
You better check on the price first.
Oh yeah. Can you tell me how much that is?
We have
we only have
cash
$13.
With all of it, $11.77.
Yes.
Sweet, we're good.
You can enter it.
Nice.
Oh, I had $14.
Oh my goodness.
Yay, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks,
You
you too.
too. So nasty. Oh, that's so good.
I mean, this stuff is so good. This place is amazing.
We love a good burger and some fries.
Hot.
I know, they're very hot. Cheers. We might have some money for one of their flurries too.
What?
I have
We have money
quarters.
left over?
I have quarters in the truck.
Oh, well, those are for laundry, I think.
Yeah, I'll get more. Don't you finish that root beer.
Too late. I think it's gone already.
No free refills, honey.
I think I just finished all the root beer. Nash, sorry, buddy.
Look at his drool.
Oh, yucky.
Yuck, buddy.
Just kidding. I just moved the straw up.
And I have the rest of it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like so root beery, you know? Then it's like rich in that flavor. Wow, that was a very small little bit. We have money left over because we went scrappy on lunch and we're gonna get a flurry. I have $3 and I'm gonna go get change out of the truck. I have to get a new Aldi quarter though.
Oh, there's a $1 coin in there. In the truck.
Oh, great idea.
Yeah.
Be right back. Ta-da! Blast from the past right here.
How is it?
So good.
Don't mind if I do.
Sorry, Nashy, this has chocolate.
Dang.
Good ratio of ice cream to Oreos. Oh, I'm so sad to be leaving Culver already. I was hoping to be able to go on campus and check out the bookstore and get a couple new items of some Culver swag, but unfortunately campus was closed to outside visitors. But I did get a chance to see our friend Ben and his wife Anna and meet their kiddos, which was so sweet. And of course, the stop to the root beer stand definitely made up for missing out on campus.
A lot of fun.
But we are actually headed up to South Bend, Indiana right now, which is just a really quick drive. It's about 45 minutes away from Culver, and we are going to be dedicating this next tour stop to our amazing tour sponsor, Lippert. And we have some amazing upgrades that they have planned for our RV, and we can't wait to see those. And we have some amazing serving opportunities with Nash lined up. And I know that you're really excited for those too. So stay tuned. I know this episode was a little bit short, but you've got some great things coming next week. And I know you're going to really love seeing those too.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. And after that, we're headed up to Michigan.
Oh,
And we're really
love
excited
it.
to get up there, do some exploring in the Upper Peninsula area, go to a few places that we've always wanted to go to. Especially growing up in Indiana, it was so close, but we just never went.
No,
So
neither
now's
of our
time to
families
do
spent
it.
a lot of time in Michigan, so we're really excited to explore as our little family.
Yep. But in the meantime, if you haven't had a chance to watch a few of these episodes that are listed right now, go ahead and do it. And if you feel so inclined, if you haven't subscribed yet, we would love for you to join our family here on YouTube and be one of our loyal subscribers and just hang out with us as we go on the Pause for Love tour around the United States.